In this lesson, we're going to solve an equation, and this one is a subtraction equation. So if we have a problem like this that says solve the equation for the variable y, and we have this equation y minus 5 equals 15. So the first thing to know is that to solve for the variable, in this case y is the variable needs to be isolated. So you need to try to get y by itself. So how do you do that? To isolate the variable, this means getting y on its own on one side of the equal sign. Okay, so here we have y minus 5. There's a minus 5 on this side of the equal sign. So we have to do something to try to get rid of this minus 5. So step 2. To isolate y, do this with inverse operations to undo the operations in the equation. So what does that mean for this one? The inverse operation for subtraction is addition. We have a subtraction here, so to undo this, we have to add something. So add 5 to both sides of the equation to get y on its own. So how's that going to look? That'll look like this. Y minus 5, which is what we started off with. Then we add 5 to undo this so that we could get y by itself. But because we're adding 5 to this side of the equal sign, we need to add 5 to this side of the equal sign. It is important to do the same operation to both sides of the equal sign. Now simplify to find the value of y. So y minus 5 plus 5, so that becomes 0. And then 15 plus 5 is 20. Y equals 20. So the final tip, if the equation was written this way, 15 equals y minus 5, the steps would be the same. So you would just do the exact same thing. You would add 5 to this side and add 5 to this side and then simplify. And you would get 20 equals y. But it's the same answer. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. And as well, take a look at the description below. There's links to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra practice. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in it, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.